I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy Tatkal tickets. First, understand the booking timings. 10 a.m. for AC classes and 11 a.m. for non-AC classes. Ensure your ERC account is fully prepared, with all passenger details saved in the master list beforehand. A fast and stable internet connection is crucial, along with a reliable device. Finally, have your payment method, such as UPI or net banking, ready for a quick transaction. Once the booking window opens, log into your ERC account a few minutes early. Swiftly select your desired train, journey date, and the Tatkal quota. The key here is speed. Use the master list feature to add all passenger information with just one click, saving valuable seconds. Then, proceed to the payment gateway without delay, choosing your preferred and fastest payment option. To maximize your chances, consider booking from a smaller, less congested boarding station if that works for your travel plans. Always have alternative trains or routes in mind should your first choice be fully booked. Some users find success with reliable third-party browser extensions that autofill forms, but use them cautiously. Practicing the entire booking process once or twice beforehand can significantly improve your speed and confidence. Be careful not to refresh the page too many times, as this can lead to session timeouts and lost progress. Always double-check all passenger and journey details before making the final submission to avoid any last-minute errors. Payment gateway delays are common, so have a backup payment method ready, like a different bank's net banking or another UPI app. If your booking fails, quickly look for alternative Tatkal quotas or different train routes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.